Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope you're doing great. Today I'm back to share with you this easy half double crochet hexagon. If you've seen the previous video which I have posted, the double crochet hexagon, and few years ago I did the single crochet hexagon and also the granny stripes hexagon. They will all be in a playlist together with this video if you're interested to see them. So we'll get started right away. The hexagon, the basics of the hexagon is that all the sides should be equal, and during the demonstration I'll explain to you how you can get them all with the same measurement and size. So I'm using a medium worsted yarn and 5mm crochet hook. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain a random number. I'm gonna make 15. Okay, 15 chains are complete. On the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. One half double crochet in every chain. And I've got one more before the last. In the last chain, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. Next row, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in every stitch, and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. So I'm gonna continue the same in every row until I get the sides equal to the bottom side. Like for example, if this is 10 centimeter, the sides each one should be 10 centimeters. So here, for example, I have done initially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 8 rows around that. But the number of rows, it is not a reference in this pattern. However, the measurement is the one, because the number of rows might differ depending on the width. and length of the hexagon. However, if you have 8 rows initially, you'll have 8 rows in the decrease as well. Hope it's clear. So chain 2 again and 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch in every stitch, and 2 half double crochet at the last stitch. Two half double crochet. So I'm gonna continue the same with few more rows, and I'll come back to show you how to decrease to shape the hexagon. So here I'm at the last 2 stitches and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. So here I have done 8 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and one way to check if the work is right and equal, you can fold one of the sides and check if it's equal to the base or the bottom side. If it's equal, means you can start the decrease for the hexagon. If it's shorter, then you need to work more rows. So now we're gonna start the decrease to shape the hexagon, and the same as I said, if it's 8 rows here, it's gonna be 8 rows of decrease for the upper side. So I'm gonna chain 2 and turn, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through and halt, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through, and then pull through all. That's the decrease. And then 1 half double crochet in every stitch and another decrease in the last 2 stitches. That's all you need to do for the next 8 rows, including this row. Oops. Okay, and I've got these 2 last stitches where I'll do another decrease and join together, chain 2 again and start with a decrease again. and pull through all, and half double crochet in every stitch, and again a decrease at the end of the row for a total of 8 rows, or depending on how big or small you want the hexagon to be. And here we are at the end of the 8th row, and that's it. The hexagon is complete. Half double crochet hexagon. You can block it later to fix the shape properly, but this is how you get it. So we did 15 chains, then 8 rows of expansion and 8 rows of decrease to get the hexagon shape. As I said previously, all the sides should be measuring the same, and if you fold it the first half into the base, you can ensure that the hexagons, they have the same measurement. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy and useful. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.